Today I'm dressed like a hacker because we're gonna crack Excel passwords without using a third-party software. Yes, you heard it. So what's the situation? We have here an Excel sheet, we did our fancy analysis, added the graph, and password protected. However, we forgot the password. So what do we do in this case? Do we start from scratch? Well, no. I'm gonna show you a secret trick. You're gonna see it's very easy, so let's go. The first thing that I'm gonna do is just close this file and create a copy of it, because if you play with it and it goes sour, then it's a bigger disaster. So there we go, Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V, this is my copy. Now I just want to change the extension of the file, and if you don't see it like here, you can go to View, Show, and here you have File Name Extensions. If you have a different version of Windows, just search how to add this, that's pretty easy. I'm gonna click one time on the file, then another time, not double click, one by one, and here I'm just gonna change this to zip. Let's click outside, press yes, and here you go, you have a zip file. I want to open this zip file with WinRAR. WinRAR is a program that opens zip files, and it's like WinZip. So if you don't have it, it's okay, just go to the internet, WinRAR, you download it for free, and now you can right click, open with WinRAR Archiver. You get an ad obviously because that's a free version. I don't have $20, I'm a bit poor. I am going to steal after all, right? Let's close this, find Excel, double click, find worksheets, double click, and those are my two sheets. Now I don't know which sheet has the password, so I'm just gonna select both and drag them here. I copy pasted my sheets and I'm gonna click on the first one, right click, open with Notepad. Now the trick here is to find Protect. It's a lot of gibberish, some crazy stuff. I'm just gonna do Ctrl F and make sure you have the cursor at the beginning of the file. So here you have Protect, search for it, no Protect, this is not what I want to steal, the safe is empty. So let's close this one. Let's try the second one, right click, open with, Notepad, Ctrl F, and Protect, I go down, this is protection. So this is the safe I want to steal. What do you do in this case? You have to start at the first arrow before Protect, and you just select everything until you find another arrow. So as you can see, I have an arrow here and an arrow here. Be careful when you do this, you have to delete the right things. So I'm just gonna delete this, close it and save it. And now I select my two sheets and I do the opposite. I drag them back to WinRAR, and here I have to say yes, add and replace, okay. We close it and change the extension. So I'm just gonna do the same thing, .xlsx. It depends on your extension, you can change it back to what it was. Are you sure? I am trembling, but yes, I'm sure. We get back our Excel file, let's open it and see the magic. Now I click, I can change. I hacked Excel. So I hope you like this trick. I'll see you for more in a bit.